Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Kenwood AM/FM stereo tuner to show you. The model number of it is KT-51B. But before we get into it, did you know that the most listened to type of radio station is country? Yeah, so if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your antenna connections right here for FM and AM. And then over here you have a AM channel space switch. You can go between 9 and 10. And then you have your audio output. Then to connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable and then your antenna and then your power cord. And then once you have it all wired up, you can power it up and tune to a station, whatever station it is you'd like to. And on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here, and then you have AM and FM radio. You can switch between the two. And then you have an FM mode switch right here. You can turn on and off FM mono. And then right here you have a memory button. And then tuning. You can turn on and off auto tuning so that it will automatically look for a station for you. And then you have all of your presets right here. You can save up to 6. And then you have your tuning button right here. You can go up or down. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood tuner. If you want to order it, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.